Hi friends! So today's math is something that we are going to do for the rest of the year. And this is something that we would have done anyways in class. So I think it's really fun. Now, it does require you to have a printer. So if you don't have a printer, I have a few things that you can do to kind of work around it. Or you can do something different instead, okay? If you have a printer, you have the option to do another activity as well. But the big thing is, you will probably need to ask mom and dad on how to figure out how to hook up your printer, because I don't know how to do that. Or you will need to print this off of mom and dad's computer, and you know how to log into your account, okay? Just do it on the home computer. If you hear Finn, that's okay. He's just barking at something. So let me explain what we're going to do, and then we can get to it. Okay, we are going to do something called grid drawings. So essentially what that is you're going to get a cartoon, a whole bunch of cartoons. Okay, I have like 25 pages of cartoon pictures. Okay, choose your favorite. Okay, now me, you guys know me. I'm not an artist. So I'm going to choose some easy ones. If you want to challenge yourself and try a harder one. Okay, but I bet the first picture, Harry Potter, yeah, right. I might try that one later. But the example I'm going to show you in a minute is Mike Wazowski. He's okay. He's still kind of hard, but I think I can do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this drawing and we're going to enlarge it onto a bigger grid, okay? So that's essentially what we're doing. Now, some tips. What you will need grid paper and the pictures to draw. I'm going to attach the pictures and the grid paper underneath today's lesson. You will need a sharp pencil. The sharper the better. Mechanical pencils work really well too, and an eraser. And then lastly, printer. If you don't know how to use your printer, you have to ask mom and dad. Like I said, I'm not going to know how to do it. All right? So what you're going to do, here's my example. So let's say we have this letter S, and we want to put like the S onto a bigger grid. Well, you notice that I kind of have these numbered. If you want to number the grid of your picture, like I would do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and do it on your big one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can. You don't have to. You can just count. So, very simple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start kind of at the back. So I notice that on box 7 and then 1 over, we have a little like a little slice. I'm going to do it in green. Okay, so I'm going to draw a little slice because I want it to be pretty much the exact same picture, just blown up into a bigger size. Okay, well that was easy so far. And then I notice that it goes down 1, 2, 3 full boxes. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3 full boxes. Now you would have a nice straight line. So then I notice that I'm at 3, I go 1 over. Okay, and I have another little, so now I'm at 3. I have another little slice, and that's connected. So I'm going to connect that. And then I go from 3 all the way, I go 1, 2, 3, 4 over. So I would go 1, 2, 3, 4 over. So as you can see, I'm just recreating the picture over here and enlarging it on my grid paper. And that's what you're going to do. By the end, okay, I've already done one and I posted it. By the end, now you know I'm not a good drawer and I honestly drew this myself. Yes, it took me a long time. I'm not going to lie. It took me a long time. It took me a lot of patience. But I turned this Minnie Mouse into that Minnie Mouse. Yes, that is my drawing. You guys know I'm a terrible artist. But I did it. Okay? You can do it too. But like I said, gotta be neat, gotta have that sharp pencil, and you just gotta work hard. Okay? So, let me show you one more time. Okay? So, I have Mike Wazowski. Oh no, I lied. I have Shrek. Okay? Shrek is not so bad. Okay? So, if I want to label it, I can. Otherwise, I'm just going to count. Okay? And I want it to match my picture. So, I kind of noticed it goes 1, 2 over, and then it has a little baby line. And then he kind of has a go over the next one, and you notice I kind of have the line starts at the corner, and it kind of goes like 3/4 of the way over. That's what I'm going to do with mine. I need it to be in the right proportion. So it's not going to be perfect, and that's okay. If it's not perfect, that's okay. I'm just going to move my face over here. Okay. And then I go down a little bit, and I kind of curve up. Go down to this one and then curve up here. Okay. And then I make finishing his ear. Kind of goes up and around. Alright. And then it comes down. Gets skinny. Now, is it perfect? No. I might need to erase it. If I don't like it, erase it. Okay? But by the time you're done, by the time I'm done, my Shrek will look similar, not perfect, to the grid paper. Just like my Minnie looked pretty close. Now, did I have to do a lot of erasing? Yes. Will you? Yes. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. Okay? So, when you're done with your grid drawing, you have a choice. If you want, you can color it in. Or if you want to leave it blank, leave it blank. That is your choice. But for every grid drawing that you do, post a picture of your final product. Okay, these are a lot of fun. And I think it's a great way to end the year. Now, for some of you, you might not have a printer. I'm going to move my face back over here. You may not have a printer. Well, that's okay. You could find a piece of blank paper and draw the picture from the grid. So I could take my Shrek or my Mike Wazowski, and I could draw it freehand the best I can on a sheet of paper that I have. Or you can play on Dreambox or Johnny's Math Page. You could even do that if you have a printer, but maybe one day you didn't want to do a drawing. You could play on those games. All right? I can't wait to see all of your drawings. I'll maybe give you 2 slides a day for drawings that you create. Have fun with them. That's what the end of the year is for, and we're at the end of the year. Have fun, and make sure you take your time. Have a sharp pencil, and make sure you post your final pictures. Can't wait to see them. Bye.